It is a beautiful day to install a Velux skylight. This is a SO6 solar powered venting with a solar powered blind. Let's see what the skylight's gonna be. They've got their bed right here, so we're about to move it out of the way, put some plastic down because we are about to open this up. So I'm up here on the roof. We've already got the rafters cut. Right now we're working on cutting the ceiling joists. Let me show you what we're working with right here. The hole's already cut, so that's gonna be the opening. You can see the rafters are cut. Those are 2x10 rafters. We're gonna put a header and footer here to strengthen everything. And then we're gonna cut these 2x12 joists out, move this alarm system wire over, move the insulation back, and frame out our light shaft. So, you know, it's gonna look really cool. Finished the skylight. It looks perfect. All right, we are done with the skylight. Check it out. So cool. Right in line with the bed. It's gonna be awesome. We finished the skylight, and there it is. Let me show you how it works. So we have two of these remotes. This one operates the skylight. This one operates the blind. I'm sorry, this is the skylight. This is the blind, so if I press this,
stop it. Reverse it.
and this one actually operates the opening and closing of the skylight. There it is, finished off. We need to finish the sheetrock on the inside, and that'll be it. It's really cool.